can you explain what a structural engineer does in like a very basic terms?
Sure. So I was trained as a structural engineer, and I'm also acting as a project manager. So what that means is that I essentially design and build types of buildings or infrastructure or systems. So I've been working for many years with Disney and designed many rides and worked with Universal Studios. So the latest ride that I created was Soaring over California at Disney California Adventure. So a structural engineer can design rides and can go into some of the basic stuff like condos and malls and buildings and bridges. So it's really whatever you need to, whatever the world needs. We can put it together so it doesn't fall down.
Right. Is that the main thing of structural engineer, to make sure that things don't fall down? Or do you actually even design like how the building or the ride should look like?
So when we're talking about, for example, Disney rides, we work with Imagineers, and they're the visionaries with the theme of what you want to accomplish. So there is a certain mood that they would like to convey. There's a certain feeling that you're able to convey, and somehow you use these feelings and moods and convert that into tangible items, such as how do you seat people? How do you support the system? How do you move the ride so that you're able to evoke some sort of happiness or thrill when you're creating that ride. So a lot of times you're talking about safety is for sure the paramount item, but there's also other loads such as rain and snow and self-loading, seismic, hurricanes.
What does it mean
Um,
self-loading?
Self-loading means that the weight of the bridge or the weight of the system itself. So you're designing for the weight of the system itself, along with all the other loads that are coming onto it. So if you're going back to the designing of the ride, you have to make sure that it stands up by itself without anything else. Then you start adding to it, such as the people going onto the ride and what impact that might have. And then if it's exposed to the outdoors, you have snow load, you have wind load, you have rain, you have seismic, and you have to make sure that all those loads, when it's imposed onto it, that it becomes safe and people are always enjoying themselves and are safe is paramount.